Is your 2021-2024 Honda Odyssey key fob working intermittently or not at all? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective DIY task, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through the entire process step by step. The 2021-2024 Honda Odyssey key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. These are readily available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers for around $1 to $3. Make sure to purchase a CR2032 battery before proceeding. You'll only need a few basic tools for replacing your Honda Odyssey key fob battery. A small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool is essential. The plastic pry tool is recommended to avoid scratches on the fob. Tweezers can help when removing the old battery from its clip. A soft cloth protects the fob's surface during the process. Locate the small seam that divides the key fob into two halves. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam. Gently twist to separate the two halves. Work your way around the fob until it pops open. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery held in place by a metal clip or spring. Use your finger or tweezers to carefully remove the old battery. Note the polarity. The positive plus side typically faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing the same direction. Align the two halves of the key fob. Gently press them together until they snap securely back into place. Ensure there are no gaps or loose parts. The fob should feel solid and well assembled. Test the key fob's functions to ensure it's working correctly. Press the lock button, unlock button, panic alarm, and trunk release to verify they work. In most cases, the key fob will work immediately after the battery replacement. However, if the fob doesn't work, consult your Honda Odyssey owner's manual for specific reprogramming instructions. The reprogramming usually involves turning the ignition to the on position and back off a couple of times, then pressing the lock and unlock buttons on the fob. Always handle the CR2032 battery with care to prevent short-circuiting. Dispose of the old battery responsibly by recycling it at an electronics store, as it contains lithium. Avoid forcing the key fob open, as this can damage the casing. Use a plastic pry tool or gentle pressure to prevent scratches or breakage. Looking ahead, trends point towards smartphone integration for keyless entry and potentially battery-free fobs using kinetic energy or wireless charging. For now, DIY battery replacement remains a cost-effective solution for your 2021-2024 Honda Odyssey, saving you time and money compared to dealership visits.